What's up, world? Nushan is here. We back in the building, and we just closed out Reggae Sumfest 2023 over the weekend, and it was an epic show full of icons and rising stars. But in this video, we're gonna take a look back at some of the more memorable looks and the best outfits that the artists them stepped on stage with. All right, well, let's get into it. So, kicked it off early. As you can see, the artist wasn't holding back. Here, CHYN Artist, he took the stage early on. He came out with a tribal look, with a mesh tie rope vest with the green baggy pants. Thought it was a little unique. Came out and represented. So yeah, he was trying to. You can tell he dipped into his fashion bag. That was. I'm not even mad at him. Next one we had up JAHVILANI. JAHVILANI stepped out pretty simple, you know. Black on black with the JAHVINCI shirt. Couldn't put him too high up in the ranks because it was just simple. It's just a simple black JAHVINCI shirt would have had. His performance was pretty decent, nothing to write home about. But yeah, man, I'm doing thing. I thought the outfit was straight for JAHVILANI's personality, how he likes to come out. The boy ROMIECH looked like he lost like 35 pounds. I only want to steer us up. It's alright, got that workout plan. Shensia got him running up and down, trying to keep up with her. But came out simple. Looked like, I thought it was a Supreme jacket. I'm not too sure if it's a Supreme jacket, but he got the Prado sneakers on, kept it simple, black tee, black jeans. Gave it from another angle. Thought it was decent, pretty decent. Nothing too really crazy. Matching his jacket, matching his kicks. Put TAMI on the list early out, only because he just came home. You know, he got to get back in touch with the streets, but he was on brand. The black and white with the vest and the fandangles, you know, the little extra attachment like in my Batman or wherever. So we can't hold that against him. So TAMI came out pretty simple and was on brand for, you know, the TAMI normally dresses like when he step on stage. So that's like his stage look. Something wrong with that. Anyway, to me, it looked like the veterans them and all. The veterans them came with their A game. They held it down big time. As much as he came out, Richie Spice, let's talk about Richie Spice. Richie Spice came out casual. Thought it was real smooth. Came out with some powder blue slacks and tried to get a picture, but it was just moving so much. But he had on the powder blue Clarks. Real nice. Fresh button up. Not too bad. A little pattern onto the button up. It was pretty decent. He came out. He matched. It was, you know. Next one we're gonna talk about who? Pablo YG. Pablo YG came out sharp. He had his blazer, custom blazer with the wings. I call him with the angel wings. He had the matching inside shirt, the button up, to match the pattern with him have on him jacket. So yeah, I thought he understood the assignment. He came out, wanted to make an impression, of course. And like I mentioned before, the veterans them, they held it down. They held it down. I'm even gonna front it. And not even just because it's like jacket and tie or whatever, but I think they came out sharp. They know it was reggae. It's a big night and you want to put your best foot forward. So you had to bring out the back of the closet joints, you know what I mean? Or get to tail it out. So love it, love it, we love it. We're gonna go up the road. Alright? So even the young steppers them step out. Say hi, KAKA High Flames came out looking like a maitre d'. I ain't gonna hold it back against him with the maroon jacket, the bow tie, a little simple. I like that, I like that. You know, the maroon, you can never go too wrong with the maroon. It's an iconic color. But the Dadzi, I think ROUNDHEAD started to step it up. I thought that jacket was nice with the white flames on the arm. He really held it down with the derby, with the nice hat, looking real gangsterish, real mobsterish type. I think that was, he kept it up. Pulled it off, thought he was gonna. Then we step up the line. Genius, as you see. I don't know, I like this look that he had on. The all red with no tie, open white collar, and then he had the black and red, excuse me, red and white ones on. Yeah, I like that. It looked very like now, very current for the culture. Yeah, can't go wrong with a suit and Jordans, you know, that's the look now. So, not even now, just forever. But I think the genius held it down, and next thing you know, JAHVINCI stepped out kind of hard with the, I don't know, I guess with the 4-button jacket, real nice, real sleek. You know, I don't know, he looked like he'd been losing weight when I watch man, but everything's starting to fit, you know. So he came out looking proper and decent, you know. The tailor did their job, you know. Shout out to all the tailors that held down the artists with their custom attire. So yeah, JAHVINCI definitely came out sharp. All right, we're gonna move up the line. Boy, BAYKA. See BAYKA come out looking like a general. Simple with the all-white Air Forces. He got the suit, looks like this, the jacket looks like it's been tailored. I like the red bottom hat, pause. Shit is nice. He came out looking sharp too as well, so that's why I thought kind of edged him out over JAHVINCI because of the white forces with the white tee. I like the accent. I thought the hat gave him the edge. It was a good look. It was a good look. This was a look. This wasn't. I don't know. Like I said, I thought it was nice because it was bright. It was yellow. It kind of brought me back to the Bruce Lee outfit. But Ghost always step out star. I thought this was simple, but yet loud enough to show, yeah, this is star attire. You know, it's a nice performance attire. Got the sequence gold. You got his chain. The yellow pants though remind me of the that Bruce Lee movie. But I think Ghost came out and represented. And we have to big up the Rasta them because Morgan Heritage came out with the nice dashiki. I ain't gonna hold you. Nice. They came out represented. And then the Dads, you know, as much as you didn't stand up too much. FREDDIE McGREGOR, I like the shirt that he had. He had a nice simple print shirt with simple black pants and some boots. Nothing too crazy over it. He looked like he was just trying to go comfortable. You can't wrong him. And he looked like he was comfortable, and I thought that was the right selection for him. So he definitely pulled it off as a veteran. They know how to keep it simple but effective. I don't know why she know what she know about, but it I don't know. I'm on the fence. It looked like his work because anytime he step out all white, you know, you looking clean, stepping right. But it's them 4 chains, them like the 4-button cross. I don't know. The shirt itself is designed wicked. As far as like the cuffs, I like that. But I let him pull it off with the white pants. It's alright. I don't know. Maybe it's just my fashion needs to catch up, but that's why I put him up there high in the ranks. It was alright. It's okay. Let me know what you think in the comments so far. Who you think really represented and had the best outfit so far. We're moving up the line. KABAKA, step over with the right treads. White and gold, looking sharp. This is what I would expect an equivalent to a Rasta's black and white suit. You know, like this jacket suit. This is not too bad, you know. Could have been a little shorter, you know, but this looks nice. It looks like it has some Arabic interpretations in there, or influence, excuse me. So KABAKA did well. And then the next veteran artist, this man understands, you know, I had to take a screenshot, but BANTON stepped out like he was in that fashion, like he felt like he him, you know. Brown, it was a little subtle. I think he could have stepped out with a better color, but that was pretty decent. The pinstripe suit, the shoes is kind of nice. Look like he got some wingtips on there. He came out there, no shirt, you know. Came out with his Armani style, you know, he ripping the runway. So we big up BANTON on his outfit. I think he came out and represented, well worth the note. So we just giving props to all of the artists. And like we said, we just go and choose some of the best outfits, some of the memorable outfits, and yeah, that the artist then was wearing from Reggae Sumfest 2023. And it's not really worst to best, but try to go a little bit from worst to best. Alright, so let's go up the line, and then we see the 2 Don them. Yeah, so a little VALIANT. Maybe you said VALIANT competed in taking the show, but he stepped out like a general, like he a CEO. And then TOPMAN, he look like he ain't got no dirty foot this day, you know, guys. Come on with the mustard out with the mustard suit. You got why he brought out the jacket. Why he came out with the double-breasted jacket. I'm not even mad at it. It looked like that was a theme. Why he came out on a grown man, really wanted to show off their fashion prowess. So speaking of fashion prowess, the man ROMAIN VIRGO stepped out with a peach. Peach looked like he's colored. I ain't even call it pink. It looked like it's a peach or off peach color suit or jacket and floral, what's like a doily tee? I don't know, but he pulled it off, you know what I'm saying? If it was anybody else, you know, it probably would have looked a little sus, but I don't know what kind of shoes he had. It looked like something straight out of Steve Madden, or Aldo. I don't know, it's a little bit outdated, but Romain and Virgo, what are those? But just want to know, because the red don't look like it matched with the pantsuit too tough, but they pulled it off, and you're a star, so you get to do what you want anyway, but we just here critiquing. Still pulled it off pretty nicely, not gonna lie, with the white and the white mesh shirt with the doily and the flowers or whatever that print is. I think that was pretty, let's see, adventurous, for lack of better words, alright? So, and more on get the horse look props too, because the horse came out pretty sharp. He pulled out some big guns. I like that. He got the turtleneck with the chain. He got the off-peach suit with the short sleeves showing. Yeah, I like that. He came out. He on his GQ. Yeah, man, that's someone to do it, man. Man, you hear what Shabba say? Man, you have to know if you dress. If a woman you want to impress, man, you have to know. Man, you have to know. Man, you have to know if you dress. Anyway, pardon me, y'all. So, up the line we're gone. Never catch that brother name when I seen the picture. I was going through some of the recaps, but I thought this look was snazzy, real sharp, not like stepping razor. Only one who had the hanky, you know, with the pocket square, and then how it's off colored with the red. He had like the oxblood jacket with the oxblood tie, and just had like the strawberry button up. Yeah, hombre, they do a good job. Sharp. Give you some props too. So he could have been a host or intermission. If you're an artist, please let me know in the comments who he was. I didn't know his name. Sorry, I'll tag you and correct it. So next dude who looked like he's on some Kanye fashion joint or whatever. I'm not too familiar with the artist's music. I just got familiar with him through Sumfest. It's a youth named DYANI. And DYANI looked like he wanted to make his presence known. He came out with a full black attire, but came out with a printed black flared bell-bottom pants. It looked like some Doc Martens. I don't know if they're Doc Martens, but Doc Marten style boots. And he came out with a real fashion-esque, real vibe. The flower shirt, not really my style, but it definitely is rock style, rock star-ish. You know, something that you definitely would want to be on stage with if that's your lane. You know, but I thought he pulled it off with the shades and everything. Thought it was alright. DYANI, not a bad look. He pulled it off. Came out, especially as probably your first time on Reggae Sumfest. You gotta show out, you know what I'm saying? Next one, this is probably my favorite look. I ain't gonna hold you. I thought MASICKA killed it. Came out with the Louis jumpsuit, the jeans and the jeans jacket, the Louis suede jeans jacket. I don't think it was jeans jacket. Let me stop calling it that. But with the Louis jacket and the Louis pants, I thought that was ill. He looked like he stays up on the newest and latest Louis gear. I ain't gonna hold you. The boots, I think he got a bit of a better selection, especially with the color pattern of the Louis outfit. But it did give it some contrast. You kind of end up paying more attention to the Louis suit. And you know, he was out there with his bear skin or whatever underneath it, so I don't know if he had a better shirt from before. So MASICKA, shout out MASICKA, because either you're stylish or you got an eye for some of this high fashion stuff, yo. I ain't gonna hold you, but you came out, you did your thing, you held down the show. Real talk, yeah, I ain't taking sure, you know, outside of Valiant, well, Valiant run up, MASICKA take your show. Let's go with some ladies now, alright? We got the fellas out the way, we're gonna move up the line. We're gonna deal with some of the ladies' outfits. You know, we say the best for last, cause the ladies really move a thing. So, STALK actually came out with, what she came out with. I thought it was, she was cute, cause she's so cute, you know what I mean? She basically can come out with whatever, and you kind of overlook it. So I didn't really get a good look at what she was wearing while I was watching her performance. You know, she had a nice chain, you know, skin nice and stuff, but as you can see here, it looks a little eclectic, a little bit, she got a lot going on here with, I think, just the brassiere part. Never really needed all that glitz and chains and stuff. But she just came out, looked like she was ready to perform, like a performance outfit. Alright. And Then we move on to the veteran Tanya Stephens. It's not like it's the flyest outfit, but I think for Tanya Stephens and what she came out with, yeah, I think it was definitely nice. Definitely nice. I like this. Tanya Stephens came out grown and sexy. I think it was a nice tight form-fitting spandex suit with the long overall jacket. She had the nice brooch, or not the brooch, the necklace, and her hair all frilly and poofy. I like that. She came out with the nice shades. She did good. So I thought this look was nice and simple, but it came a little better. But then on the building on Tanya Stephens' look, who I thought came out in a typical fashion, Vanessa bling, and her outfit was blinged out. She could say she got the full body suit with the blingers. She got the long blonde hair down to her back. I guess you can say she killing it or whatever. The ladies, let me know what y'all think of Vanessa Bling's outfit so far. Let me know in the comments at any time whoever's outfit you thought was the best. So some of these fits were really tough. I ain't gonna hold you. And then Jade, let's move on. I thought Jade, this looked real business. Like I could see her in the office wearing this on a spring day. That's why I liked it. I don't know if it was best for Sumfest, but I thought it was a good look. I mean, like the look because it looked real professional, classy, still form-fitting and stuff. So I liked it. And I thought the two colors were really summer vibes. So I thought that went well with that for her. So shout out to Jade. You looked nice. Then we move on to Twinkle. Yo, JADA. I want to tell me, I live, bro, you know, so I'm in the scale, balance the thing, you know. Sexy nonetheless, but I'm kind of conflicted on the top part. The mini skirt looks nice. It was a little short, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know. Let's move on. Y'all let me know what y'all thought Jada Kingdom outfit was the same, but I thought she came out with some pizzazz, you know what I'm saying? Like she wanted to shock, with some shock value as they do with stars, you know the thing, though. You know, you're a performer, you're a superstar, you want to bring it, you know, you want to take it to the next level. Plus you want to show all these other broads that you her, you know? Well, I don't know. Let's move on. One of my favorite female DJs, TIFA. I thought she came out nice and cute and simple with her Versace skirt and her silver Wonder Woman boots and a nice little curly hair. I thought she was looking really nice. I thought she pulled this off simple. That's why she gets higher on the list than everyone else. I think she understood the assignment. She didn't do too much, you know. I thought that was really nice and classy. Still gave you the girls. So right, Tifa, love the look. Honorable mention, Tami CHYN. I thought Tami CHYN came out looking fierce, looking with her cougar vibes. Looked like she gotta try channeling her inner cougar vibes. Although she ain't a cougar because we in Marshall don't tame that. So yeah, we see Tami CHYN with the leopard shawl, and she got the shorts showing off the cocoa butter legs and stuff. So I thought she looked real nice. I thought she understood the assignment, came out and said yes, she's here. She kept it classy, she respected her man, everything. Love it. Big up to y'all. Then we have the Dun. No, she didn't do too much, but for me, I just felt that with the aura, the energy, I think this outfit represented Lady Saw came out with. Yes, she's not Lady Saw, she's Minister Marion Hall, but she came out with the trench coat with the army fatigue boots from Gucci. Nice. But that's a look. She came out like she was ready to be on some Christian soldier stuff. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I give it. I think that's like almost like a $3,500 trench coat. I don't even know how much the Gucci boots cost, but she killed it. I don't know if it was the Gucci pants, but I thought it was yeah, right on for the energy and the type of performance that she shelled on Sumfest, not lie, even though she gave away some Bibles, slowed it up a little bit, but yeah, I think, not gonna lie, you can't take the performance from her. Anyway, and we're rounding up to the end of this list. Who I'm giving top mentions to Miss Moyan. Moyan came out fire hot, like a phoenix. I think this is what she wanted to tap into. Very, very fashionable. She came out with the high thigh red boots. She got the mini skirt with the red hair. Come out looking cute. I see you, ma. The thing. I really did think. I don't say what you want to say about her performance. We're here to judge the looks, the outfits, any clothes ensemble that was taking place at Sumfest. Now, if this wasn't your cup of tea, I understand. It's all good. But I thought that she came out represented especially it's her first time at Reggae Sumfest 2023. And yeah, I thought this outfit did it for her. It may be a little weird, but again, there's celebrities or stars. You're supposed to come out like a rock star or a reggae star, dancehall star, you know, bring some, you know, General Trees, Lieutenant Stitchie, you know, Bandolero Pinchers. They all tap in to another ego when it comes to their dressing and want to perform for their fans. Shucks, you're lucky it's not High Plane Drifter. But yeah, it's not a costume, but I thought she did good. I thought she looked beautiful. Shout out to everybody that performed. There were some people that I ain't thought that brought it. I didn't think that brought it that well. PJ was a simple look. He shelled on the place. Yes, drift and everything, but you know, had the motorcycle vest and everything. It was just simple, nothing too crazy. A couple of honorable mentions are out there, but let me know in the comments who I left off the list. Like I said, really wasn't a list. We were just going through some of the artists' best looks from Reggae Sumfest 2023. I'd love to talk about it with you. Share this video, like, comment. We got mad more stuff to get into. I hope y'all enjoyed my favorite looks from Reggae Sumfest. Alright, and I'm gonna see you again next time. Alright, peace. Look more. Oh, the road me gone.
One destiny.